What we're going to need for this project is Arduino Uno, a breadboard, the motion sensor, this is a speaker, or you can use a buzzer. This is the LED. We're also going to need some resistors for the RGB LED, and finally some jumper wires. So this is the wiring setup. Take a good look at it very well, carefully. Then when you're done, you're good to go. So I'm going to be plugging in the Arduino Uno now, so I can upload the code. So this is the code we're going to be using for this project. After you must have uploaded the code, you see that the buzzer or the speaker is making a sound. That's because of there's motion. But if there's no motion, it's not going to be making no sound. Right now there's motion, that's why it's making this sound. If this video was of any help to you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and if you have any question, leave it under the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.